Bonsoir, Gulf Coast League, and welcome to the Week 16 edition, the Garbo Championship edition, the Christmas edition, and the final edition of the world-famous Doozy Tuesday, all rolled into one. Well, friends, the final game of the season is upon us, and after 15 weeks of broadcasting the Doozy Tuesday show, I must say I've had one hell of a good time. It seems like only yesterday that the Plowboy, Pooh, and Hairdo were all gathered round the Doozy Tuesday studio, laughing and carrying on, doing their very best not to stagger and fall into the stage area. However, all good things must come to an end, and with that said, I would like to take this time to say farewell to the Penny Plowboys and the Swish-Ah Sweets. You put in a hard-fought effort, boys, and everybody knows that. Now dry your eyes, blow your noses, put away the Kleenex, and rest up for next season. It is now Garbo time, with two very worthy teams battling for the final money in the greatest award in all of fantasy football, the highly coveted Lombardi Trophy. So, without further ado, I would like to take this time to wish Oldfield Mafia and Private Hairdo the very best of luck this week, and may the best team win. The money and the trophy will be delivered as soon as all of the league dues have been turned in to the commissioner. So, to all of you that have yet to do so, please pay your dues ASAP if you have not already done so. Now, on to the spirit of Christmas. Grab yourself a candy cane and a cup of cocoa, and snuggle on in for a classic holiday story resuscitated by yours truly. 'Twas the week before Christmas, and all through the league, everyone was upset, even old Craig. But not upset from losing, or old Leon's boozing, and not upset from T-Pass, or Dusty's pick-choosing. No, what had them stirred up was much more worse for show. For Santa Claus was sleigh-jacked down in El Segundo. They robbed him stone blind, took everything in sight, and left him standing there, scratching his head on a cold winter's night. They stole all the toys he'd made for plowboys, and took 5 pairs of shoes he had made for Pooh's Clues. And the little puppy dog he had raised for whole hogs was gone in a flash with the rest of the stash. The blow-up alligator he made for Pelinator, and the Game Connect 4 for El Diablo, they stole in one swipe like thieves in the night. And all the good treats he made for Swish-Ah Sweets, and the little toy gun for Columbian, it's all gone away from Santa Claus' sleigh. And Hairdo raised hell when they stole all the jail, and Jack Slapper cried when they took his fried pies. But what's worse than that, and what sealed the deal, was when they stole the cute little teddy bear he made for little Oldfield. They took everything and hauled it away, and then they came back and stole the damn sleigh. Santa just stood there with head in his hands. It was a sad, sad sight. Oh man, Then all of a sudden, in a half-drunken yell, he heard someone say, "Hey, what in the hell?" He saw from a distance a little wagon, and he said, "Ho, ho, ho! There go Leon!" Leon rolled up, and he bobbed and he swayed. He said, "Get your big ass in my little red sleigh." Santa said, "Leon, I'm so glad you're here. Christmas has been saved. But where's your reindeer? My sledge got to fly high in the sky to deliver the toys to all good girls and boys. Leon say, "Hey, I got an idea. I know where we can find a queer reindeer." Santa scratched his head, and he sat in the sleigh. He said, "Leon, you mean to tell me you know a reindeer that's gay?" And friends, I'm going to stop this story right there and let you see for yourself how Leon saved Christmas for the GCFFL. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Okay, Santa Claus. I got Randolph all hooked up there, and we're ready to go. Oh, Randolph. Let's go now, Randolph. Get up there, Randolph. I'm gonna pay you back for this, you old nasty alcoholic. This ain't the last you've seen of me, you old nasty thing. I can't believe how embarrassing this is. This is ridiculous. Come on, Randolph, let's go now. We gotta save Christmas. Oh, Lord. Well, there you go, boys. And Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. Till next season, friends.